there is still so much to discover about our world. Secrets are being held and mysteries are left unsolved. People say they are convinced of a conspiracy theory, and everyone, like the media and government, are declaring them for fools. But do you know the real truth? Everything we know has been told to us by the media and government. Everything we've learned and discovered about the world around us we have done through their textbooks, which contain their truth and their history stories. As Napoleón Bonaparte said, history is a set of lies agreed upon. We don't really have a clue where we come from or what is really going on here at all. We don't know anything about what is going on. Throughout the centuries, historical sites and things have been destroyed by groups of people, like the burning of the Alexandrian Library or the raids of the Vatican Archive. What secrets are we not allowed to know that are hidden there? You still don't think things are being kept from you? Well, then how is it possible that there are beautiful historical monuments all over the world, but we never know or learn anything about them? Or why are we taught and programmed to find the right job with us, while we learn almost nothing about how money works itself? How many of the things we are taught is true, and how many of them are just being put there? That's the real question here. Everyone is being driven apart by all the negativity that is spread around the world, that's spread by our world leaders, that's spread by the media. We need to build each other up instead of tearing each other apart because of our opinions and our beliefs and our political nonsense. The human race has come this far not because they were stronger and smarter than the animal kingdom, but because we work together. We have to keep working together to rediscover the real world. And don't depend on what the media and government tells us. I am trying to make a small start to wake people up, to create a platform where you can talk and share freely when you question something instead of thinking along with the crowd. This is your life. You only live once to have the opportunity to discover this world. Make it wonderful and make it adventurous. We, the people, we have the power of love, of desire, of happiness. You make the difference. Now let us all unite and let us fight for a new world.